first saw you smiling in the sun. Wanna feel your warmth upon me. I wanna be the one. I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for memories. I'm so tired, I can't sleep. Standing on the edge of something much too deep. It's funny how it feels so much, we cannot say a word. We are screaming inside, oh, we can't be heard. But I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for the memories. So afraid to love you, more afraid to lose. Clinging to a past that doesn't let me choose. Where once there was a darkness, a deep and endless night. You gave me everything you had, oh, you gave me light. And I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for the memories. I will remember you. Will you remember me? Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. Oh, beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty, oh, weightless, and maybe
Look, you know.
your back. The storm keeps on twisting. Keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference.
This right here, tell me what goes out to everyone that has lost someone that they truly love. Come on, check it out. Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block the dough. Notorious.
Live band at Keith's birthday party.
我还没听完。哇，这壶比高呀！我的呀，不敢听了。我说音乐好，不错。别装在中。好介绍。
It's kinda hard with you not around. Know you in heaven smiling down, watching us while we pray for you. Every day we pray for you, till the day we meet again. In my heart is where I keep you, friend. Memories give me the strength I need to proceed, strength I need to believe. My thoughts big, I just can't define. Wish I could turn back the hands of time. Us in the six, shop for new clothes and kicks. You and me taking flicks, making hits, stages they receive you on. Still can't believe you're gone. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you still living your life after death.
karaoke.
来老跟着喝，小来老哟，真的哎，打到转哇，我吵了是多少钱贵？你一里抓一张够，能一下查。
Whatever, change up.
你要你打我底车。
Every almost more than I could bear. Still I hear the last words to me. Heaven is a place nearby, so I won't be so far away. And if you try and look for me, maybe you'll find it someday. Heaven is a place nearby.
We don't know how long he's been with the cardiac arrest, and I believe his brain was severely damaged during this time. Even his heart is beating now. His brain is not functioning, and this is irreversible process, unfortunately. I just spoke with cardiologist whom I called yesterday to ask for consult because we suspected that he got some fluid around his heart. So he did echocardiogram, it's ultrasound of the heart, and he thinks, and he's pretty sure about it, that this is a pulmonary embolism, that the blood clot went from somewhere, maybe from the legs, to the pulmonary artery and blocked it, and that's what happened. This is a very unfortunate event that happened all the time, and I think we can't do much at this point of time already, because the brain is not reacting in any ways. At this time, I think, it's my opinion again, that the best way for him to be comfort care and let him go in peace, not being poked all the time with the needles, getting stuffed with the fluids, with all medications, but let him be comfortable, and he will go away.
Really gonna miss you. It's really gonna be different without you. Time is gonna be hard and slow. For the rest of my life, I'm gonna be thinking about you. Yes, I am. Time came when you had to go. I'll miss you, my buddy. I'll miss you, my friend. I promise my love for you will never end.
Dear Lord, as the sun set up upon my shoulders, we all lay him down to rest. How much it hurts us to drop holy dust upon his resting bed. But just tell him that we all miss him, we all love him, and he will forever be in our hearts. Even though he is gone, let him know he won't be far. Oh Lord, I know you made us, and whenever you need us, you know you could take us. That is why you took him, cause he's a strong person. But just let Zanti know that I'll see him at the golden gates of the holy heavens.